Hello, guys. This is Dr. Joseph, Dr. Lou for short. Well, I want to tell you about a new project I'm working on. Now, I've always wanted to explore how Haitian poets, creative writers, have um, conceptualized God as an idea or God as a person in their creative work. So, my current book project is to examine God and Haiti's or Haitian literary imagination. So, this is a project I'm going to undergo this year. And so basically what I will do, I will investigate what so-called revolutionary uh, poetry or poems of the Haitian Revolution and see how those poets of the revolution have represented God, you know, and how they attribute different roles or functions to God in respect to the Haitian Revolution. And the second part of this work is to examine the representation of God in post revolutionary poetry. And thirdly, I want to study carefully how poets of the American occupation, which began in 1915 and ended in 1934, engaged the divine, engaged the sacred in their work. This is going to be an amazing work um, for me. That's always been my dream as a person with a theological, religious background. I've always been interested in Haiti religious life or the experience of the Haitian people in religion. So, in fact, I've been reading reading different works by different writers. I came up with some really good writings, good poets. But anyway, I want to this morning I want to share with you two poems that have to do nothing with the subject matter I'm investigating. These two poems were written by Haiti's most important poet in the 19th century. Oswald Durand, who was born in Carpathian in September 17th, 1840. And he died in Port-au-Prince in April 23rd in 1906, right 9 years before the military intervention, the American military intervention in Haiti. So I'm going to share with you um, first a poem about freedom, liberté. The second poem is about interracial relationships. As you know, many of you know, Oswald Durand, or most Haitian poets, wrote exclusively in French. So the poem on freedom is entitled La Mort des Cocotiers, which appears in Oswald Durand's collection of poems entitled Rire et Pleurs. So I'm going to read 3 stanzas from this poem in celebration of freedom, the meaning of freedom in French. Okay, I'll do it. Toi qui dardes aux cieux ta flèche, que le soleil caresse et lèche, sans la faner un seul instant, toi qui ne crains que le tonnerre, et qui, comme l'aigre en son air, tu moques du terrible autant. Ces pensées m'assaillent sans trêve. Faut-il trembler pour l'avenir? Voir la liberté comme un rêve, craindre un réveil qui va venir. Faut-il, ô Toussaint l'ouverture, devant cette belle nature, fier de tes premiers jalons, sentir en moins de 15 lustres sur nos fronts le pied de ces rustres, plus lourd que le pied des colons. Toi, tu ne mourras pas, ô liberté. Toi, tu ne mourras pas, ô liberté, quand même sous le souffle d'un vent mortel. Nous verrions se flétrir le palmier, ton emblème. Nos cœurs resteraient ton autel. Non, 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 tu ne mourras pas, ô liberté. Si des mains assassines osent couper ton noble tronc, Toussaint te nomme l'arbre aux vivaces racines. Tes verts rameaux repousseront. Again, this poem was from Oswald Durand, which was published in his collection Rire et Pleurs. The second poem I'm going to share with you guys is also by Oswald Durand. It's a longer poem. Which is it's about 8 stanzas, so it's a long one. So I'm gonna stand up to share this poem with you, to recite this poem. I'm currently inside my library anyway at home. This poem is entitled Les Fils du Noir. Je ne puis plus aimer le souffle d'une femme, ne fera plus frémir mon cœur maintenant froid, car il a fui ce temps où 2 yeux en mon âme allumaient un désir mêlé d'un vague effroi. Vieillard de 30 étés, mon cœur n'a plus de flamme. Je m'en vais là, courbé, sans joie et sans émoi. La colombe roucoule et la menthe se panne. Tout s'aime et se caresse en vain autour de moi. Pourtant, mon cœur est plein de sève encore. Le monde ne l'a point desséché de son haleine immonde, ni flétri des baisers impurs de ses filles renées. À 20 ans, j'aimais Lise. Elle était blanche et frêle. Moi, l'enfant du soleil, hélas, trop brun pour elle. Je n'eus pas un regard de ses yeux étonnés. Pourtant, ma mère était aussi blanche que Lise. Elle avait des yeux bleus où s'endormaient leurs pleurs. Quand elle rougissait de crainte ou de surprise, on croyait voir soudain une grenade en fleurs. Sa chevelure était blonde aussi sous la brise. Elle couvrait son front pâli dans les douleurs. Mon père était plus noir que moi. Pourtant l'église, dans un pieu, y met Maria leur couleur. Puis l'on dit, doux contraste à sa blanche mamelle, pende un enfant doré comme nos bruns maillis, ardent comme un soleil de notre beau pays. Orphelin, je vis Lise et je l'aimais comme elle, mais son front pur pâlit à mes aveux troublants. Le fils du noir fit peur à la fille des blancs. Oswald Durand, from Rire et Pleurs. Happy New Year, everyone, 2017. Bonne année, tout le monde, 2017. Again, this is Dr. Lou, Dr. Joseph. Take good care.